Confused by your credit card statement? You're not alone. Your statement has 12 important sections that could save you hundreds of dollars, but most people ignore 9 of them. Let me show you exactly what you need to check in just 5 easy steps. First up, the basics. At the very top, you'll see your statement date and your due date. Don't mix these up. The statement date is when your monthly billing cycle ends, and the due date is your last chance to pay without getting hit by a late fee. Always pay before the due date. Now let's talk about your balance. I know that big total balance number can be scary, but here's the trick. Look for the statement balance instead. That's your actual payment amount for the month, the number you want to pay in full if you can. Ignore the current balance unless you're charging more after the statement. Here comes the minimum payment trap. See that little box with the tiny number? That's the minimum payment. If you only pay that, your bank loves you, because you'll pay a ton in interest. Seriously, that box usually warns you how long it would take to pay off the card if you just paid the minimum. Don't fall for it. Next, scan for interest charges and your APR. If you see interest on your statement, it means you carried a balance last month, and now you're paying for it. Check your APR too. If it's higher than you expected, you might want to call your bank and negotiate. Last, but probably most important, go through every single transaction. Fraud and mistakes happen more often than you'd think. Look for any unfamiliar charges, weird company names, or double charges. If something looks off, call your credit card company right away. So here's your checklist. Grab your statement and check these 5 things. Statement date and due date. Statement balance. Minimum payment warning. Interest charges. And every transaction. Do this every month and you'll dodge interest, spot mistakes, and keep your money safe. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick money tips that save you cash in just 2 minutes. And if you want to know how to fight back against wrong charges, click the next video right here. Let's get your money working for you, not the bank.